Hi, my name is Ari Isaac from Ari GIS Consulting. We were sent some data regarding the Detroit Public Lighting Authority streetlight survey job, and we set up a little system and we wanted to share with you. Basically what I'm showing you is my email on my phone on this left side of the screen, and then my email on a desktop on the right side of the screen. On both of them I'm going to click this link that I sent myself. This goes to what we call the gateway. So this is for your system. This is the gateway. There's three basic ways to interact with the data. The first is on a mobile device. The second is through a website. And the third is through downloadable spreadsheets that are exported every day. So the mobile stuff is the most interesting, so let's get right into it. If you're looking at it on your phone, you open the link and you can see it has links over to whichever store you want. If you have an iPad or an Android device or an iPhone, you can use this. You just click on the link and then install the software, and then you come back to this page and you click on this link to open mobile configuration. So that's just a link to open your configuration of the software that points to the services that we set up for you. Let's give it a chance to load. So this is the data that came from the sample data. You can pan around, you can use the GPS in the top right corner. I'm not going to use it because I'm not in this area, but it does look like the data lined up pretty well with the aerial photo. The aerial photo can be off, and if you're using survey grade accuracy for this, that could explain how far off it is, like why it would be off. But I do want to show you there's some other data associated with these points as well. So what we added was the extent of the pilot areas as they were explained in the RFP, as well as, which is the green, and then the blue line is the extent of the zip codes, and then the red line is the border of the city of Detroit boundary. So you'll always know if you guys are doing a certain zip code or you're staying within a certain area, you'll always know whether you're coming up on the boundary of that area. So but basically you can just go in. Let's go in and just quickly add a point. So to add a point, we'll just add a point in the middle of this intersection. You click this little pen in the corner, and it says what type of feature type. So this is symbolized based on the drop-down values of the tech. So I put in S1, S2, S3, S4, and then DN, JS, and MN. So let's do S1. So you click on S1, and then you can fill out specific information. So this correlates to your table. So the height is 10. Let's say we want it to be 26. Those are integers right now, but we can change it. The arm quality is damaged. The street light condition is usable. Lamp wattage. Lamp style is double cobra. Lamp wattage, we can put in 200. And we can even add pictures and stuff too, and I'll be happy to go through that with you. So you click this button in the top right corner to put the point, and then you can hold down your finger and you get a little circle thing, and then you can put the point exactly where you want it, like that, and then it creates the point, and then you press the little checkbox in the corner, and then it asks you again, are these all the fields that you want, maybe in the notes, in the MES notes. So I don't know what the difference is between MES comment and PLA comment, but we're going to write already created points where are we at? 12:07 a.m. Small business owner. then you click go. So it puts the point, and it says edit reconciled successfully, and that point is, you know, alongside the other points in the system. So that's basically how you get the information in. There's a series of other things you can do, but I wanted to get to the other aspects of this. So if you come on the website, clicking on this link on the website won't do anything if you're on your desktop. But if you click on a link to open website, the second one, so this is a Flex-based application that we set up to basically show you the exact same set of information, but it's in real time. So if someone's out there collecting information, you can watch them collect the data in real time. So here's our point, I think. It was S1, it was damaged, lamp wattage was 20, and then if we scroll down, alright, created a point at 12:07 a.m. And you can access the pictures and stuff too here, so that can help you troubleshoot your points. This is it's also got, it's basically the exact same interface. We also have the extent of the, you know, the city is red. You can see that here. You can expand this base data. Detroit City is red. The pilot areas are green, and the zip codes are blue. And if you zoom out a little further, you can actually see the extent of the zip code, so you can use that for planning and stuff like that. You can even change the base map, so if you wanted to see this kind of base map, you could do that. But we found that the aerial photo is most valuable. So, and then the last step of the gateway, let's jump back over to the gateway page, scroll down. So we've gone through the editable phone or tablet on a website, which we just looked at, through a daily exported downloadable spreadsheet. So that's the last point. So that's this link here. If you click here, you can see that we've set this up to run at 11 p.m. every day. So I ran it twice to test this thing, and then 11 p.m. You can come right here, click on this, and download it. Then you can come over here. I have to rename this because I don't have Excel on my computer. But if I rename it, you shouldn't have any problems. If you have Excel, you can just. So I use an open source Excel, another version of Excel. No. Click OK. So now it's going to open the file that we just downloaded from the website. Now this file isn't going to have the point that we created because it's created at 11 p.m. every night, but here's the exact, basically the exact data that we were sent with the poll number, the tech, and all the other information here. And so I think the couple points that I created are here at the end. We also calculate this Google Maps link, so you can copy this. You can copy this link and paste it right into a browser, and it will open in Google Maps. And then you can even click on. So this is one of our points. I wasn't out there, so there's a street light there, but it creates a point close to where it creates a point where you create the point in the field. So that's a nice little thing. And then obviously the notes and everything else that would be filled in the field. And we look forward to working with you on making sure that all this is the right information to put in. But that's basically the question. That's basically the system. Feel free to give me a call. My number is 858-633-6447. My email is ari@sdgis.com. And feel free to contact me. We look forward to working with you. We think that this can help streamline your workflow. Talk to you later. Thank you.